What's up guys, this is Ref and Happy New Year. So let's start this 2022 with an unboxing. So what I got here is the Apple Watch Series 3 and this would be my first ever Apple Watch. I don't want to go all in yet and I just want to try their cheapest available Apple Watch, which is the Series 3. And shout out to Uniwise, so they're my favorite online store in buying Apple devices online here in the Philippines. You can check their shop on Shoppee on the description below. This is the Space Gray 42mm Apple Watch 3 with 8GB of RAM. And without any further ado, let's start the unboxing. Alright, so here's the box. And I'm quite shocked on how long and large this box is just for a watch. And I got here a scissor so that we can cut out the plastic covering. Let me just remove this plastic coverings. Alright, since we remove already the plastic, let's just pull this tab and remove the outer covering box. And what we can see here right now is, of course, it's the design by Apple in California. And as usual, once we unbox this, so we also have here like the manuals, the paperworks, all the safety guidelines, and how to set up the Apple Watch itself. It also included how to use its buttons. So what we have here also is a one smaller strap. So just in case, you lost your other strap, it's good to have an extra one. So lastly, what we have here is the magnetic white charger. So take note, there is not a fast charging and it's only a 5 watts charger. Alright, once you're ready, remove everything here. And what we got here is the Apple Watch itself. The Apple Watch Series 3 on this very cool looking space gray. As you know, I really like black color. And this is like a almost like matte black kind of thing. And we have some plastic that we need to remove. Of course, this is the one that protects the LED screen of this Apple Watch. And let's take it off. Once we remove the plastic, we can see now the beauty of this Apple Watch 3. So first impression here, it really looks good and premium, especially when you touch it. It's a little bit heavy as well and a little bit thicker than I thought. Since of course there's a previous version of Apple Watch, so design has already aged for quite a while. So we also have the side buttons like the crown itself and the power button, and also the sensors at the back itself. So for its overall design, it's really good so far, and it's a thumbs up for me. It looks elegant and you know that the material that's used for this device is not cheap. I really like too that you can swap and customize the bands and you have different options for this. And it seems that it's currently low battery as of the moment. So I will try to charge it first, then I'll set it up. So I was able to charge it and let's set this up right now. So I'll be checking this setup myself and then I'll just need to scan this image that's showing on my Apple Watch. So it's trying to pair now. And then my wrist preference would be left. So I'll be just clicking continue. And then we need to accept, of course, the terms and conditions. We also need to enable the workout route tracking if you want it. Then shared settings, I just hit OK for this. And then you can customize the bold and text size. And then have access on messaging. And of course, finally set up a passcode. And then you can customize your activity. So you can put your weight there, height, your BMI, and then you can set your daily goals. Once you set up the activity, just choose the option to keep your Apple Watch up to date. Then set up Apple Pay if you have, then emergency SOS. So you can choose also to install your available apps for your Apple Watch, or you can do it later as well manually. Then for app view, if you want to choose grid view or list view, you can also choose there. So for me, I'll be choosing grid for now. And then the Apple Watch will sync. I think this might take a couple of minutes here. And here it is, fully set up now. Navigating through UI is just fine. It's not super fast nor super slow, but it is surely responsive. I like how bright the screen is, and the haptic feedback on this watch is really great. Definitely I'll be doing more testing for the whole review for this device. So that is my unboxing and my first impression of the Apple Watch 3 in 2022. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.